You will need MDickie source code, you will need Blitz 3D of course, and then you will need whatever game you're trying to mod. And I chose Hard Time because it seems to be the most popular Blitz 3D MDickie game, so we're going to do that. So first of all, you want to go to the source code, Hard Time code, or whatever game. Like, there's a bunch of games here. See, in this folder, there's a bunch of games. I'm pretty sure this is like every single game that he made. But doing Hard Time, so I recommend getting Notepad++, because it's just better than normal Notepad. So I usually let's select this. Well, actually, hold on. Let's go into Notepad++, and then we'll select all these files and drag them into here. And then this is how you're going to make your own modifications to the game. It's like, for example, I'll make like a custom, like one of those cheat codes, because he usually has like cheat codes for the game. So I'm gonna make my own custom cheat code, and this cheat code is gonna be if you like hold down plus or minus on like a certain key, your weight will go high or low depending on which key you press. So I think I'm going to do that. So right here is where the basic cheats are. This is like to increase your strength and stuff, but we're going to add a new one. So I'm going to make a new line. We're going to do if key down 59. 59 is F1, by the way. But I'm also going to give y'all a list of the keys and stuff for Blitz 3D. And then we're gonna hit then. Boom. This is what you want us to do. So increase attributes. It's gonna increase. It's gonna make a character gain weight. Promos. Promos are just the events. Events like gaining weight and stuff, like the terrorist attack thing. Those are all promos. They're all called promos for some reason. I think it has something to do with the wrestling engine that it's built on or something. But anyway, here's the gain weight. Here's the increased attributes right here. So I did the gain weight thing. And then we're going to go up here and add the loss weight. Alright, I made the changes here, and now all you gotta do is do Control S to save it. And then you wanna go out, and then that should be saved in gameplay that we just did. And when you make your changes, you want to open Blitz 3D. This is what you get. Do Control O, and then go to the code that you just changed, and then since you can't highlight multiple files for some reason in Blitz 3D, you have to individually choose each file and open them individually, which is very annoying. I don't know how to fix that, but this is what you gotta do for now. Alright, when you're done doing that, you want to go to gameplay. It's usually gameplay or the name of the game, .bb. If you do it any other folder, it won't compile correctly. But to actually make the actual executable that you put in the game, you want to go to gameplay, and then you want to go up here to program, and then you want to create executable here. And we'll put that in like the desktop for now. We'll name it hard time. And it's going to do it for me. It's going to put .exe. Or it should have. hardtimes.com.exe. There we go. Now, your executable's right here. But you're not out of the woods yet. Because you have to replace this file with this one. You also want these files here so that you can actually run this without any lagging or anything like that. So yeah, you just want to go to it and then paste it in there. You replace the file in destination. And there you go. Now we'll run the game. I'm gonna make a quick shortcut here. Put that on the desktop. And then here we got our shortcut. And we'll open it. And then, if this idiot stop talking to me. Alright. And then, all you gotta do is test out your feature. So I'm gonna hold down F1 and do plus. And there you go. It triggers that promotion. Yeah, it works.